It's a beautiful day. Now it's warm. It's not too much cold. See, I'm walking. I'm walking on the street. I'm walking in the street and now I watched that the giant Christmas tree of the Iraq Ghetto. Ayan. Diyan pa namang car. Very nice, ha? Nice yung car. Nice yung Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Hello, Christmas tree. It's very nice. Mamaya. It's very nice. Hindi na kayo makatawid na. Ako'y tatawid na. At ako'y tatawid na. Tingnan mo yung mga bulaklak. Andun yung Christmas tree. Hindi pa yata tapos. So I didn't finish already the Christmas tree. It's very big. Look yung nila mga flowers. It's very nice. Okay. And look the street lights. The color. Asa na ba? Ayun. Oh. Ganda yung color. Ayun, oh. Ang ganda ng color doon. Very nice. It's so nice. Andyan, oh. Ganda yung nila. For the Christmas. But it's not too much more decoration pa. Okay. Very nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Oh, look. I make a selfie of the red car. It's like jeep. Jeep yata to. Jeep ang tawag. Oh. Sana dream. Maganda. Ha ha ha. I'm just dreaming for nothing. I'm just thinking and I'm just talking about it. Ay, naku buhay. Oh, may elevator na pala yan. Elevator na pala yan. Ayan, oh. Elevator na pala yan dyan. Para sa car. For the parking area. Up. Okay. And here I'm down in the car. Doon pala yung in the car. Parking car lahat. Diba? Okay, bye-bye. Thank you again for watching. To all subscriber of mine, shout out nationwide and worldwide again. And God bless us all. I wish that you support my Simply YouTube channel and to subscribe me. Kung sisisi pa, likes daw at saka comments and share. Okay? Hello! How are you? I'm good here at the pharmacy. Andoon yung mga daughters ni Madam Nani sa friend ni Madam Noor. Nice yung Christmas tree nila. Okay. Okay. Yala, bye-bye. God bless us all and take care. Keep safe the ones of us and bye.